This is a short video for a reassembly of the door lock right here for a 2004 Jetta. I'm trying to adjust the screw here inside the door. You'll see in a second, which basically locks this cable here that connects to the outside door handle right here. So I'm gonna stick this flashlight inside, so you know what I'm talking about. See that? Right. Okay, 1 second. Position the flashlight. Okay. Zoom in. That is the screw. And when I'm turning this screwdriver, you'll see and what this screw does, you will see that little round frame. That round frame actually secures this guy right here. This is the handle, and this is kind of like a part of a door lock cylinder, which does nothing besides just filling the gap right here. And when you pull on the handle, the cable will be secured right in here. See the screws? So this basically just fills in the gap. So I will have to take this out so I can put the little cable right in here in the screw, like right there. See the hole? So I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna spin the screwdriver a set number of times. So I'm gonna count each turn, and when I put it back in, I know where I left off, and I'm gonna basically just go in reverse. So if I spawn the screwdriver 10 times, I'll show you. So when I look in here, see this right here, this notch on the top. This guy right here. When I spin the screwdriver, you'll see it tends to go back. So I need to know like how far back I should go before this slides out completely, and then I can just push this little piece out, so I can insert the cable, this cable, and which basically connects it to the door handle. So I attach a little wire to the door of the handle of the screwdriver. So I'm gonna count each turn, and then once it's completely off, this screw right here, actually this part right here, I'm gonna just push this guy. Hold on a second. Okay, I'm gonna push this guy. Alright, this right here, basically. I'm gonna push it out, and I'm gonna put the cable in. So stick around.